Hello students. Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your English subject. In that we are going to see one poetry. The name of the poetry is How They Sleep. Before starting with our poetry, first we are going to see a warm up. When you feel sleepy, where do you feel sleep? Where do you sleep? Which spot is the most comfortable? When you feel sleepy, where do you sleep? Which spot is most comfortable? The most comfortable is bed, right? The most comfortable place is to sleep on bed. You can sleep on sofa also, floor also, and while traveling you can sleep in a car, bus, train, right? But the most comfortable place is bed. Okay students, now we are going to see our poetry. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Means some things here, things they have called for the animals. Okay, they are telling about animals. They are saying some animals sleep in such a funny way, and little birds, those were little birds, how they are sleeping? They are sleeping on one leg and tuck their heads away. You can see here in this picture. See here, she is standing on one leg and she has tucked his head away. Tuck means when you tuck your shirt, like that only she is tucking her head. Chickens do the same standing on their perch. Chickens also sleep in the same way. Then little mice lie soft and still as if they were in church. How little mice are sleeping? See here, you can see in this picture, they lie soft and still like they were in church. Have you ever visited church? When you visit the church, there is very peaceful environment. You will not hear a single noise. They have compared it with the church. How they are sleeping? The little mice lie soft and still. Kittens curl up close in such a funny ball. How kittens are sleeping? They curl up close and such a funny ball, like a ball. You can find her like a ball. Kittens curl up and close in such a funny ball. They sleep like a funny ball. Then horses hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. How horses are sleeping? They stand and they hang their heads down and they sleep. In a stall means where they live. Then sometimes dogs stretch out or curl up in a heap. How dogs are sleeping? You can see here. They stretch out and curl like kittens are curling up and in a heap. Heap means whatever the things are kept on one on the other. Cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep. How cows are sleeping? They lie down, they sit and they lie down upon their side. On their side they are sleeping like that. Cows lie down upon their sides when they go to sleep. When they feel sleepy, they sit down and lie on their sides. But little babies dear are snugly tucked in beds, warm with blankets also soft and pillows for their head. How little babies are sleeping? You can see a picture. They are snugly. Snugly means warm. Yes, we protect them with blanket, we give them pillows, yes, so that they can sleep properly and they can complete their sleep in a very good manner. So we give them a very cozy atmosphere in their bed. See here also that this baby is taken blanket, right? Under his head pillow is there, right? For small children we take very good care of them. So this is our poetry. I hope you all have understood how they are sleeping, how other things are sleeping like dog, baby, cow. Yes? Okay students, I hope you all have understood the poetry. Now we are going to evaluate. Understanding the poem. Tick the right options to answer these questions. Now we have to tick the right options to answer these questions. First one is, these stand on one leg and sleep. Who stands on one leg and sleep? Kittens, little birds, dogs or cats? Little birds. So the answer is little birds. Second one is, these curl up in a heap. These curl up in a heap. Who curls up in a heap? Dogs, right? These lie down upon their sides. Who lies down upon their sides? Cows. So where is cows? B. Then fourth one is, these hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Who stand and sleep? Horses, right? So the answer is B. Then think and answer. This question answer I am going to give you in your notebook. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you. We'll meet in the next lecture. Bye. Take care.